Hey guys,
Hey,
we have Raza here, and who is this guy?
it's Eder.
Heather, and where you guys are today?
We are at my dad's best friend's
Yeah.
lifelong friend.
Wow, that's cool. What's his name?
Razak.
Yeah. And what we are doing here?
We here are picking him up. So then we're going to a lake, which is from another one of our friends.
Yeah. What's his name?
His name is Uncle Ray.
Yeah.
He makes pumpkin pie.
Wow, really good one, huh?
It's the best.
Wow, that's cool. So we are here in High Point. We came from Charlotte, and we are gonna take a friend with us, and then we are gonna go. He lives here in this neighborhood. Nice neighborhood. I love this place. Always calm. And now what we are gonna do? We are gonna drive to Reedsville. There we are gonna get some bait, and right there. See, this is the bucket he had. So we went to Eden last time to get the baits, but this time we are gonna go to the Reedsville because the shop is closed.
My other bucket doesn't have anything
Yeah,
inside it.
and it doesn't have a lot right now. And now from there, there is a Dan River that comes through the Virginia. A friend of us lives there. Yeah, and we are gonna meet him. And there's a kind of pond or lake or whatever you call, because the water run through the Dan River. Is it Dan River that the water comes in that pond? That friend has a house in the woods, and that's what we are gonna do. Hopefully we'll get some fish there. So we are here to get some live baits. Do you need to get something else?
No,
No, I
just
sure.
like baits.
Do we have those round things, that floaties?
We'll check that.
If we don't find it, then I think maybe we'll get few.
What do you mean?
Those are red.
Like in bait or
No, the red things.
the hooks?
Hooks.
Yes, we do.
Let's see.
We want baits or bass, but not medium, a little bit bigger than medium.
મારી પાસે ત્રણ સાઇઝ છે મીડિયમ સ્મોલ એન્ડ લાર્જ.
Mix of that.
Okay, mix up all three.
I do one dozen each.
Okay. How much is it?
225 for small, 379 for medium, large for 579. Where you from?
We got
Is that enough?
fish. Yeah. Are you sure?
That's more
these
than
are
enough.
48.
Sure.
Yeah, we have other ones too.
And that's more than enough.
Yeah, that's gonna be enough. So we are here in Virginia, and that's where a friend lives. He lives close to Danville, Virginia, and it's a beautiful place. He has this kind of house in the woods, so we are gonna take a look from there. So finally we are here. That's where his property starts. There is some tobacco fields, and we are gonna take left, actually right here. And this was gravel road when I visited last time. So we are close to Danville. This is Cascade, the city, very small city, right next to Eden. The neighbor had horses last time I came here. It was so much fun. Right there. Beautiful house in the woods. I love this type of house. That's where it is. In the woods. That's the truck we use mostly. Nice house right there. Beautiful. And he has this really big porch. And guess what? I did not notice last time he has figs here. So he has grown this fig tree. That's new. So maybe this year, maybe I get some figs. That's it right there. So we are here at a friend's house. His name is Ray, and it feels like home right away. As I said, we've been actually coming many times, right, Ray?
Yeah, over the years, but it's been a good while since you've been here.
Yeah. So this is the house that we always come from, Washington D.C., and spend some time here. So he's making some iced tea, and he made some cake. So this is cool.
Some tuna salad for
Tuna salad.
Raza.
Raza, yeah. That's the pond I was talking about on the way we fish. Lives here, so we get this special privilege to fish in that pond. Does the water come from Dan River in that one?
No, it comes from a creek,
Oh, okay.
and then it goes from the pond and down to the river.
Okay. So if we go back on his house on this side, that's where the river is. And the guys are, yeah, I don't want to go all the way. The guys are chilling out there. Raza and I had actually the picture on one of our Tech Brothers Facebook page. We took that picture here like 10 years back. So I remember that picture. So this is the place we come and hang out in some of the summers. It's so much fun. And here is Mr. Heather, and he's doing something. I don't know what he's trying to see. I think we need to wait for Mr. Najaf. He's still eating, I believe. Yeah, he's eating. He's coming now.
No, don't sit there because you will fall. Sit on the
Sit down.
sit on the floor. Yeah, you can, but you might come directly at me.
Yeah.
If I
And I
come,
hold,
but I'm.
if I won't be able to catch you, you're gonna end up right there.
You're sitting down. Just like sit down.
Okay then.
Wow.
Wait, it's a dog. It's a dog. Oh my God, it's Marley!
A dog is chasing us. He's right here.
Go! Go! Go!
Okay, go home, go back. 48.
Dad?
No.
No. You want half the minnows there?
Yeah, that's a lot. So these guys are fishing here on the pond. I took off my shoes. Yeah, okay, fine. Just enjoy. It's okay. I have taken off my shoes. And we are hoping. Most of the time, what happened, we always catch the fish at the end of the day. That's what happened here. Here's Raza's his fish is there. That's Heather's.
You have to be patient.
Yeah, a lot of patience.
Dad, can you hold it? I'm already sweating.
Oh, which one is dying? The big one?
I'm not.
Can you hold and give to Uncle?
Yeah, can you give it to me?
Oh, he's alive. He's alive.
Pretty alive.
Okay, Dad, can you hold one for me so that I can pick it up?
You can hold one.
No, I need your help so you can bring it up.
Let's see.
Okay.
Wrong hands.
Wrong or right, doesn't matter. Just throw that in. It's almost 1 hour and we did not find any. We did not catch any fish yet.
Not even a single bite.
We found some mushrooms. So these are mushrooms. Look at these beautiful mushrooms right there. Let's see if any luck. We have, see right there. Beautiful. I like this place very much, but no fish at all. From last time experience, yeah. Let's see what you do. Slowly. Oh, don't do that. Let me. Okay, can I get that? Finally, these guys got only one fish after a long day. Cool.
It's breathing. It's breathing. It's left good.
Yeah, it's pretty
Sad.
decent size.
You have another fish in here. You know
That's cool. Okay. This one, this goes in.
You want to get this one?
Sorry.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
Just
What
in
are
the
you
mouth.
grabbing?
Put in the mouth.
I
Hold it like you. Yeah, just put in the mouth.
This is disgusting.
Yeah, put in the mouth.
That's just scarier.
Water?
Yeah, show me how big it is. In front of you. Nice. Not too big, but not too bad. It's around 8 o'clock. Mr. Raza is still very hopeful.
Still casting.
Still casting. It's a beautiful out here. You can see. Look at this beautiful pond here. Love this scene. Much better after it started getting evening. Those two guys, Raza and Jeff, they are trying to find fish, but they're keeping up the communication going. Very beautiful. This was a good trip. We friend Ray and my little one Heather. They walked away like 2 hours ago. Still did not show up. They're making something, right?
They're making pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
So it's
For
okay
us,
for us
when we get home.
when we get home. That's right. If we don't catch fish, that's okay. At least you have pumpkin pie. Yeah, it was a good day. We came to spend a day with Raza and Ray and have some fun fishing as well. It's around 8:30. We were trying to catch some more fish till end of day, but that was it. There is one fish right there. The Raza and Najaf, they got another one. I heard the noise. Looks like they had some success. Now Raza is gonna leave.
He's gonna throw them all.
Yeah, throw them all. All mean 2. Only 2.
Yeah, but we say all it sounds better. Oh, what's in the cooler?
These guys are gonna now putting the stuff back and going. So finally we are back, and here we have Mr. Heather and Ray. And what you guys did all the time when we were not here?
We made pumpkin pie. Yes.
You guys did? Wow, look at this. Nice pumpkin pie. Right there.
Eat it.
You guys made like 2 of them?
Tiny one, I guess.
Tiny one for you? Ray is making some butterfly shrimps for us.
That's done. Eat it.
It's gonna take us another 15 minutes while he's gonna bake those for us.
And this pie.
Actually, it may do faster. They're not so.
If you keep them on 2 pan.
Oh yeah, and one thing there.
What is it?
This pie,
Yeah?
it's ready?
It's ready?
Yeah.
I thought it has to be cooled down a little bit.
Well, not for me. So I'm just gonna. But probably the over the crust.
How do you like it? Hold on.
What do you mean? How do you like it? It's the best thing on planet Earth.
How is it? Look at me. How is it?
10 out of 10.
You give 10?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool. He gave 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.